Hi everyone. Let's talk about subject-verb agreement. So again, let's review the rules for subject-verb agreement. They have to agree or fit together. First, when you have a singular subject, remember, singular is just one, like single. Plural means two or more. And we also include I and you. They are only one, but we include them here. When you have a singular subject, which is always a noun, we add S to the end of the verb. When we have a plural subject, two or more, there is nothing at the end of the verb. No S, no S. Now we're going to look a little bit more about the spelling rules because it changes. Sometimes when you add S, it changes the rule. So we have rule number 1, which is only add S. Okay, just the S. Rule number 2, if you have Y at the end and you need to add S, you add IES. Number 3, words that end in CH, SH, SS, and X, you have to add ES, EN and S. Okay, so let's look at rule number 1. First example. He reads the book. How many is he? Just one, singular. So you have to add an S. Okay? The guys read the joke. Here's your subject, guys, and it is two or more. Two or more. So there is no S. No S, just like here. The plane flies in the air. Let's look. The plane is only one, so we do add the S, but like it says here, Y to IES, we have to add the IES. It changes. The birds fly over the water. When we have S, two or more birds, we don't add S. There's no S. Rule number 3. Any word with CH, SH, SS, or X adds ES. So we have the verb. This is our verb. This is our noun that we call the subject. And it has no S. There's no S. There's only one. So we have to add that ES. It could be CH, SS, or X, and you add the ES. This one is a little trickier. Sometimes in English you have words like man, and it changes to men. You might have woman, and it changes to women. You might have person, and it changes to people. These are still two or more, or plural. even though it does not have an S. Okay, these are still two or more. So like here, the men, two or more, wash. The men wash the car. In this case, the doctor, only one, washes his hands. The doctor washes his hands. Okay, let's try more examples. Here, Mr. Clare is the subject. Mr. Clare is the subject. How many? There's just one. There's no S. Mr. Clare teach the lesson. Do we change? So we have a subject as one. Up it says I need an S on the verb. Here is my verb. Teach. So I need an S. Teaches. But I remember CH. CH, I have to add ES. So I need Mr. Clare teaches the lesson. Okay, next one. The people. This is my subject. This is my subject. So, how many are people? Is it singular or plural? Remember, person is one, singular, people are two or more. So the subject is two or more. So two or more, no S. So there is no S. So I just say, the people try to leave. The people try to leave. Oh, I'm sorry. This is our verb. Try. Then you have you as the subject. You. How many is you? Oh, you are only one sometimes. But remember, I and you are always counted in plurals. So with you, there is no S. There is no S. So you just say, because this is our verb, watch. Watch is the verb. You watch this video. You watch this video. Okay, let's try some irregular verbs examples. We call them irregular because they are not regular. They do not follow the rules. They don't follow the rules. These rules or these rules. They're irregular verbs like be. Am is for I. Is singular. Are is two or more. And also you. Have is two or more. Has is one. Also have is I and you. Do, two or more. I and you. Does is singular, just one. So let's look at the first example. Here are our subjects. These are our subjects. So she is one, singular. She, the homework. So I'm going to use do or does. Do or does. She is one, so she does. She does the homework. They is two or more. They at the beach. I'm going to use be. Am, is, are, oh, two or more. They are at the beach. Good. Last one. You, an English class. You have or you has. Oh, right here. You have an English class. All right. I hope that helps. I know it's a lot, but remember, I know you. Oh, yeah. You are smart, and you can do it. Have a good day.